If your marketing isn't bringing in clients, it's not because you're unlucky. It's because your marketing is sick. Most business owners are throwing money at ads, creating random content, and hoping something sticks. But instead of fixing what's broken, they're masking the symptoms and making it worse. And today, I'm your doctor. I've diagnosed the 5 most common marketing diseases that kill your leads, drain your bank account, and keep you stuck at the same level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's wrong with your marketing, and I'll give you the exact prescription to fix it. Let's go. When I first started running marketing campaigns, I did what everyone else does. I built a website, ran some ads, and posted a few things on social media. But nothing worked. Leads were inconsistent, sales were slow, and I had no idea what was broken. Until I realized marketing is like the human body. If one part is out of balance, the whole system suffers. And if you ignore the symptoms, the disease gets worse. Once I started diagnosing the real issues in my marketing funnels, everything changed. And today, I'm going to give you that same diagnostic framework so you can fix what's broken and scale faster. Marketing disease number 1, traffic deficiency syndrome. Symptoms: you're running ads, but no one's clicking. Your organic content isn't driving traffic, and you're getting visitors, but they're bouncing immediately. The cause for this is that you do not have a strong hook or offer that grabs attention. The prescription for this is to fix your hook. Lead with the bold statement or question that speaks to a pain point. Refine your targeting. Make sure you're talking to the right audience. Test multiple creatives. Split test different versions until you find what resonates. If you can't get traffic, nothing else in your funnel matters. Marketing disease number 2, lead leakage disorder. Symptoms: you're getting clicks, but no one's opting in. Your landing page bounce rate is high. Leads fill out the form but ghost you afterward. The cause is that your landing page isn't converting because it's too vague, too complicated, or too boring. The prescription is to simplify your landing page. Remove distractions and focus on one clear call to action. Make your offer irresistible. Solve a specific problem and promise a quick win. Add social proof. Show testimonials, case studies, and trust badges. A landing page that confuses loses. Make it stupid simple. Marketing disease number 3, follow-up failure syndrome. Symptoms: you're getting leads, but they're not responding. Your follow-up emails are being ignored. Leads show interest but disappear after the first touch point. What's the cause? You're not nurturing leads properly or staying top of mind. What's the prescription? Automate email sequences. Send value-packed emails that nurture and educate. Use SMS for faster response. Text your leads within 5 minutes of opt-in. Retarget with ads. Stay visible with remarketing on Facebook and Instagram. If you're not following up, you're leaving money on the table. Marketing disease number 4, offer misalignment syndrome. Symptoms: people love your content but never buy. You get lots of leads but conversions are low. Prospects say, "I'm interested," but don't move forward. The cause is that your offer isn't aligned with what your audience truly wants. Prescription is to reframe your offer. Position it as a solution to their biggest pain point. Add guarantees to remove risk. Offer money-back guarantees, trials, or pay-on-results models. Create scarcity or urgency. Give them a reason to act now. If your offer isn't a hell yes the moment they see it, it's not going to convert. Marketing disease number 5, funnel fatigue syndrome. Symptoms: your leads are ghosting after initial contact. You're sending people through the funnel, but they never buy. You're running out of leads because the system is stale. The cause is that your funnel has no engagement, excitement, or reason to stay invested. The prescription is to add a tripwire or low-ticket offer. Get them to commit with a small purchase. Incorporate personalized videos. Use Loom to personally follow up. Re-engage with value bombs. Send helpful insights, success stories, and exclusive offers. A funnel that doesn't engage or excites dies a slow death. The prescription to fix your marketing step-by-step plan. Here's how to heal your marketing and start converting like crazy. Step 1, diagnose the weakest link. Look at your funnel and find the phase where leads are dropping off. Step 2, apply the correct prescription. Fix the broken piece with targeted changes. Don't overhaul the whole system. Step 3, track and optimize for maximum results. Measure everything. Double down on what works. Kill what doesn't. The best marketers aren't magicians. They're doctors. They diagnose, prescribe, and optimize until the system is healthy. Real-world example, diagnosing and fixing a broken funnel. Example 1, gym owner funnel. Problem is that there's a lead leakage disorder. The prescription was to simplify the landing page, add urgency to CTA. The result, 20% increase in opt-ins within 30 days. Example 2 for a course creator funnel. Problem, there was a follow-up failure syndrome. What's the prescription? Add SMS and retargeting emails. Results, 3x increase in book calls. Example 3, a agency lead gen funnel. Problem, offer misalignment syndrome. Prescription, reposition offer and add risk reversal guarantee. Result, 40% higher close rate. Different businesses, same framework. Diagnose, fix, scale. Here's a little bonus, how to keep your marketing funnel healthy long term. Step 1, audit your funnel monthly. Check conversion rates at each phase. Step 2, split test hooks and offers regularly. Always test to avoid funnel fatigue. Step 3, get feedback from your audience. Use surveys and exit polls to identify objections. A healthy funnel is a growing funnel. Nurture it, optimize it, and it'll take care of you. Your challenge, diagnose and fix one marketing weakness today. Step 1, identify which marketing disease is hurting your results. Step 2, apply the right prescription and fix it. Step 3, track your results and optimize for growth. Drop a comment once you've diagnosed your funnel. Subscribe for real marketing strategies that fix broken funnels. And like this video if you're ready to cure your marketing and scale faster. Most businesses don't need more leads. They need to fix the leaks that are losing the leads they already have. Let's fix that and let's work.